most of you know that last night I was doing my Canadian taxes and getting that all prepped and ready to go. I am a freelancer. I've been doing virtual assisting social media management for the last 4 years. And so that comes really easy. So I want to share with you two things, or put you on two things. One that is absolutely free that you should use in your business, and one that anybody who doesn't even have a business should be on around tax season. So the first one is waveapps. This is waveapps and it's absolutely free. It's how I send out my invoice. Put the customer information in there. You can put your items, your pricing, your notes in here, just like any other invoice, and you can send it via email. You can even have it attached so that you can get payments through these invoices directly. However, I don't do that. I have usually e-transfer set up because it does cost a fee if you're going to get those things direct. One of my favorite parts is the invoicing and the billing, so that is really, really great. And then I have reports for tax season that I can have in here. Receipts is an upsell. You can go with that if you need to screenshot receipts into a dashboard. What I really like is having the ability of seeing the in and out, and I also get to see at the end of the year what that income was, right? So for those of you that call me a fake entrepreneur, that's proof in itself, but we'll leave that. Now, if you're Canadian and you're about to do your taxes, I implore you to look around online for free ways to do so. I'm not going to get into it on this video, but I'm pretty sure you can even search on the CRA's website and it will tell you free ways to file, including you can print off your documents and send them in manually free. However, the middle class has a little secret. They're not paying a professional to do so most of the time. They're not paying, that box at Walmart either. They're doing this. So this is Wealthsimple. You get 2 free tax that you can do any year, right? And it stores the data from previous years. So like I love this, but most people don't look at Wealthsimple because Wealthsimple is a stock platform. You pay 0. You can pay whatever, but 2, you pay 0. If you're not confident in doing your own taxes, totally understandable. But if you can walk through an easy click-through process like this one, it is really simple to do. And just make sure that you keep a file of your taxes and make sure that you have it stored away in case anything. But this auto files, it pulls directly from the CRA. You give it access if you want to, and it does the net filing. So it's literally fill it out, click the buttons, and submit. And like literally, I was like, I'm gonna be doing my taxes all week. I don't want to. The tax prep for me was the hardest, so did that yesterday. And then last night I was like, okay, let's go to Wealthsimple. Let's start plugging away. Took me under an hour. Under 1 hour, our taxes are done. We're actually early in the season. I think taxes just launched on Monday. Anyways, look for free ways to do it. I'm not a tax professional. I can't give you advice. However, if you plug in your information on a web server and you go into, we've had this happen where we've went into a tax accountant and then gotten the same results. So we wasted over $100 to do so. And then finding programs like this where I'm not wasting like $40 at the store to get my tax return done when I can do it for free. And oh, by the way, I went back to doing my taxes because I sent my taxes to somebody because I was worried about my business taxes, and then they messed up my marriage. They said I wasn't married and changed our address, and so I do my own, but try to find free ways to do so.